Hello class, I'm Marcos and on this video I'm going to explain how to prepare a delicious Swedish pizza salad. This salad is made with simple ingredients. It's simple to make. You probably have all the ingredients you need on hand. What ingredients do we need? We need 600 grams of green cabbage, 1 teaspoon salt, black pepper to taste, 1/4 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 3 tablespoons white wine vinegar, half, half a tablespoon sugar, and 3 tablespoons of water. First, first, fine shred the cabbage using a food processor, knife, or a mandolin. Second, add the salt. Third, massage it into the vinaigrette with clean hands. This helps to soften and flavor it. Fourth, add the dried oregano, sugar, white wine vinegar, canola oil, water, and black pepper to taste. Fifth, mix everything. Sixth, leave the salads to rest overnight in the refrigerator. 7. And finally, uncover and serve it immediately. So that's all. Thank you.